Alright guys, let's try this birds waffle. Everyone likes birds, except me, I hate birds. I like these ones though. Everyone's paid. There's 25 tickets. Hopefully everyone's checked their numbers. I did once. Everyone has paid. Let's show you everyone's paid. Tony, Stuart, Cole, Douglas, and Troy. Go down here and write start. Right and start at 7:58. Let me show you down there. That's 7:58. I'm gonna go over to new tab, random.org, refresh, lock screen's on, connection secure, certificate valid. 25 spots, over with 23. That's the first time 23's been pulled. 23, Troy Cook. Congratulations, Troy. All right, winner. I'll show you that's 7:59. Right down there, it's 7:59 and end. We're gonna end at 7:59. Show you down there at 7:59. Let's quickly show you. Red digital foil is actually pretty neat. I'm not trying to upsell the disc or anything. I just thought it was kind of cool. All right, guys. Thanks a lot.